The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall, skilla.
Go by myself. I'm going to the bush and mash and look at go and look, you know. So me say me now ball out the boy, take off the blood away down now, man, blow man out. So me hear them with the and when the man gets there. When the man reach a distance and come there to now. Me have to where people and pity them are you, where people, and he took off and me the back and where people there. And him a run and was lick me no man, cause me still a run him down and drop and lick my belly and my knee. And me just lay down and hold my belly and I watch it, me say my ball, you fuck, and watch him man.
Alright my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Yes, big up and respect to each and every one. Alright, so I just presented to you a video that shows a man explaining some things that he said happened when he saw a man who goes by the name of Davian Bryan. Now, Davian Bryan is a suspect in the incident where it is said that a 9-year-old girl had been abducted, and it is believed that he is involved in a situation where it is said that a 13-year-old girl is missing. I got information that the 9-year-old girl had been found, she's alive, and she had been taken to a hospital, and other things happened as well. However, it is said that law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica and citizens within the country of Jamaica are searching for Davian Bryan and the missing 13-year-old girl. The 9-year-old girl and the 13-year-old girl are both from the parish that is known as St. Thomas, that is within the country that is known as Jamaica. Now, if any of you, my viewers and subscribers, don't have a full understanding about these situations, I will leave links at the end of this video, and if you click those links will take you to previous videos that I posted about those situations, and hopefully you might get a good understanding about those situations by looking at those videos. Alright? Anyways, I have more videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, and I would like to encourage each and everyone who are new to my channel to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright, now the next video I'm going to present to you. This video is going to show how a man stole a gun from a man. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where and when this video will be recorded. But I would like you to take a look at this video and tell me what you think about this video. I'll tell you what I think about the things shown in this video as well. Alright, now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video, take a look, listen, and observe with me.
Get a hunchback.
Yeah.
A hunchback.
You want funny? You hate like me? I just got this crazy and somebody wants to
My people, if that gun is a legal gun, then I think that situation is carelessness. See, and that is if that gun is a legal gun. But if that is an illegal gun, I could care less. See, even though two wrongs don't make a right, but you know, I'm just telling you what I think, my people. You see me I say? Anyways, let me know what you think about that video. Alright, so the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show some things that happened when police officers from within the country of Jamaica went to a community that is located somewhere within the country of Jamaica. I don't have any confirmed information as to when the video will be recorded. This video shows when a police officer pointed a gun at a certain number of persons and some of those persons ran. In this video you can hear persons yelling and shouting, and you can hear harsh language in this video as well. Now, viewers and subscribers, I would like you to take a look at this video and tell me what you think about this video. You can tell me if you think the police handled the situation properly or if the police did not handle the situation properly. You can also tell me what you think about the behavior of persons shown in this video. Now, before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe with me.
Murder and He want to shoot with. My pepper spray. He want to shoot with. Shoot with. Shoot with. Shoot with. Live my blood clot there. Shoot with. See a police officer them a treat the people them in Jamaica, yeah? Like them man a human being, I run with them with gun. See how them treat the people them, yeah? Dirty police them. We say they come to protect and serve. We say they come to protect and serve. Police are...
My people, you see the person shown in the video that hold up his two hands and walk away. I think that that person do the safest thing. Yeah, I think so. I mean, you see, from I'm a little youth until I'm a grown man, me hear people say to me and other persons, when you see police and run, you can be considered as a suspect or you have something to hide. You see it? So that's why I think that. And I real my people. What do you think about that video? Tell me what you think about that video, my people. Tell me what you think about that video. Next topic. Now, I got information that a religious member had been shot and killed by the police within the country of Jamaica, and the two other persons are confirmed dead. And I hear allegations that gave me the understanding that those persons who died might be part of a cult. Now, for you to get a better understanding about this whole situation, I'm going to read from a news article that I saw. See? Now, viewers and subscribers, bear with me. See? Because I might not read exactly word for word from the news article, so bear with me. Alright? Now, listen to these words from the news article, viewers and subscribers. A member of the Pathways International Restoration of Montego Bay was shot dead by the St. James Police during a bizarre incident on Sunday evening. Two other people have been confirmed dead. This news article had been published on the 17th of October, the year 2021, and this whole incident happened within the parish that is known as St. James. That's within the country that is known as Jamaica. Alright? Please bear those things in mind. Alright, now listen to another part of the news article again. Head of the St. James Police Division Superintendent Vernon Ellis reported that members of the group said to be a cult were meeting when some were stabbed by other members. The police were called and on arrival were reportedly fired on by the suspect as other members attacked the cops. Ellis said the police returned the fire and the suspect was killed. A pistol and several rounds of ammunition were found. How that sound to you, my people? That sound away to me. Now listen to that part here now, my people. Listen to this part of the news article very carefully. Listen now. In the meantime, the police have detained almost 40 people who were meeting at the Norwood Avenue building in Paradise at the time of the incident. The congregants, all dressed in white, were taken away in a Jamaica Defense Force truck. Well, my people, I hear allegations about a cult within the country of Jamaica, but I never expect something like this to happen, like on a real, you see? This whole situation just make things look away. You see? I also saw pieces of videos circulating on social media pertaining to that situation, viewers and subscribers, you know? Yeah, I saw different pieces of videos circulating on social media pertaining to that situation, you know? But anyways, my people, me just make you know what go on. You can let me know what I think about the things that I told you in this video. You can also let me know what I think about those videos that I presented to you in this video. And here's where I'm going to leave it. So big up and respect to each and every one. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.